here's a video on using graphing to solve systems of equations. This is when you're going to use graph paper to solve these systems of equations. It's pretty easy. Watch how we do it. The first thing you got to make sure you can do is graph a line. You can't do that. You're not going to be able to do this. But anyway, look, let's graph this line. This says y equals 4x plus 3. That means it's crossing the y at the 3. So we have a point at the 3. And then the slope of this means 4 over 1. It's the same as this. So 4 over 1. Now look, normally when we do slope, we would go up 4 and over 1. But this graph doesn't. So now I'm going to go down 4 and do the opposite and go left 1. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Okay, so there's the points for that line. And we can plot this line that goes right through those points. Okay, if you use a straight edge, you can be more precise. I've yet to master how to use this line thing to do that close. This one crosses at -2, so it's crossing here. And the slope is negative. This is the same as saying the slope is -1 over 1. So I go up 1. Excuse me, it's negative. I go down 1 and then right 1. Well, right as I can see these 3 points are going to line up. But when you're doing systems of equations, when you connect these points, right where they cross, this area right here where they're crossing, that's the solution. And this is at -1, -1. So -1, -1. Okay. For some people, they think using graphing like this is the easiest way to solve these. It might be right. Let's do another one. This first line crosses at -1. Right here, it crosses. My slope is negative, so I'm going to go down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2. Okay, that's this line. So if I come through there, and I'll kind of do it this way so it'll be more precise. It comes this way. Okay, this one crosses at -4 here, and the slope is 1 over 4, up 1, right 4. Up 1, right 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, how lucky. On this one, we can see already where these two lines cross. So if I just go through that point right there, now I see they cross right here. That's my solution. We are at 4, -3. So my answer, 4, -3. That's the solution for this system. One more. Watch. Crosses at 2. Okay. This slope right here is the same as saying -2 over 1. So that means I go down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Alright. Now we connect these points. That might be the best way to do these lines. Okay, I connect these points. Now I'm going to do this one. It crosses at -2, right here. And then this slope is -2 over 1. It's the same as this. These are both -2, same as this. So I go down 2 over 1. Look at this one. So for this one, when I plot them, look what's happening. These lines will never touch. So there's going to be no solution. I hope you can see that anytime you have the same slope, the lines will not touch, and therefore it will be no solution. Okay? So here's your extra credit. You can pause the video and write these down. You can find graph paper online. Do these 3 problems, plot your lines, be neat. Don't hand draw the lines, use a straight edge. Draw these lines, turn it into Mr. Riddle, get your extra credit.